Welcome to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to use transition in CapCut mobile. Let's start. At first you have to open your CapCut app. After that, tap on new project. And then select the video or photo that you want to add. After selecting your elements, tap on add. Here I selected 4 photos, and between the photos you guys can see this mark, and after tapping it you guys can find out the transition. You guys can also find out transition in lot of categories from here. Now select the transition that you want to add. I'm going to add different transition. You guys can choose one transition for making your video. But if you select different transition, it will make your video better. For this, I suggest you to choose more than one transition. So this is how you guys can use transition in your video by using CapCut mobile. See how easy it is? We put lots of effort every day through videos to make your life better. If it helps, please subscribe and like. Until next time, bye bye.